What's going on, guys? We're answering another viewer question. Do I have to own a drone to get my Part 107 license? We're going to answer that. Hang around, hit that subscribe button, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, Art here off the Dome Media Group. This question was sent in a few days ago and it seems to be a common one. I've also seen and heard conflicting information floating around about this topic. It's a quick fix, so let's jump right in. Let's take a look at what the FAA requirements are to actually get your FAA Part 107 remote pilot certificate. The first requirement is to be at least 16 years old.
Happy birthday to you. Come on!
The next requirement is to pass an aeronautical knowledge test at an FAA-approved knowledge testing center.
You may begin now.
The final requirement is to undergo Transportation Safety Administration, or TSA, security screening. As you see, there's absolutely no requirement of ownership of a SUAS or a drone to obtain your FAA Part 107 remote pilot certificate. Well, that's all I have on this. I hope it helped you out. If you're planning on making that move to commercial pilot, check out remotepilot101.com. With over 13,000 tests passed, including mine, in a course for life that's constantly updated, you can't go wrong. Link is in the description below. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and share. And more importantly, fly safe. Peace.